هذه اخرتها معلم اللي يتمعلم كذا يصير فيه راسك الجوبه هنا قم.
Imagine how in Central Australia.
Doodles. What are we gonna do with the doodles?
It looks like this pal wants to put together a full set of snow armour.
But this.
What a lucky bird! It got tangled up in some wires but was rescued, nurtured back to health and helped recover its strength. A go, but this time he chose to trust him, and it was the right choice. The man was genuinely kind and only wanted to set the animal free. It looks like he's not much of a winter person.
Star, what are you doing?
The rising humidity in Oconto, USA has sparked a frog baby boom. At this rate, frogs will soon be
Yeah, your buffalo are very unpredictable. Hey.
Didn't stop there. Wanting to make sure the owl was healthy, they took it to the local wildlife rescue centre. Truly a commendable effort. After all, big fish often hesitate to strike when the target appears many times their size. A school of fish stands a much better chance of survival when they stick together.
Ну вот и половили рыбку.
Блять, стресс был, да?
Есть.
Ele não sobe. Meu Deus. A Monique e o gatinho dentro do banheiro. Pegou?
Gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, Scooter. Oh my gosh. Oh no. Oh my goodness.
When an entire herd of bison comes charging your way, all you can do is freeze and hope for the best. Is a bay near Melbourne, where thousands of crabs can be seen on the sandy sea. To help.
Come on in. Come in. Oh, come on, baby. Come on.
Get back.
Come.
Come on back in. Yeah, I know it's cold.
Oh no. Oh no. Oh, okay. It's okay. It's okay. I'm gonna help you. I'm gonna help you.
Got to push them out. It's so wet down here.
It dashed off to get on with its day. Raccoons often rummage through trash and end up in a month. They can cover more than 1,000 kilometers. By February, the zebras begin their journey back north. Locals say that zebra migration is the perfect treats and even invading local homes.
ได้ยินเสียงไหมน่ะดังน่าดู
If you're afraid of spiders, you might want to cross Bali in Brazil off your...
That sound.
In Sichuan province, China, drivers began giving food to roadside monkeys, and now the entire troop... That's what training looks like. Sometimes a safari gives you...
Oh, look at the ear. Hi.
A man took a wrong turn, but for a bird, it was fate.
Sink.
Oh, baby. Oh, she didn't like it.
Oh no!
Took some effort, since at that point the boar didn't yet understand that it was all for his own good.
Come on. Come on. You can get up here. You can get up here. That one's going to swim.
Come.
He had to chase the animal for a while, but eventually he managed to free. Other marine animals. When it comes to feasting, these penguins are willing to swim hundreds of kilometers to reach their next meal.
And the wife is shouting at the husband, and then the baboon's back again. Record that.
Where's the bubble?
Once all the people were out of the burning apartments, the firefighter
Tentando fazer o batalhão ambiental, tentando fazer o resgate
Você fica aí tentando na direção.
dessa onça.
along the way, they helped control.
Hi. He likes Alexis. Look.
Traveling thousands of kilometers before settling in the local forest. From November to March,
There. Oh my goodness. Oh, baby. Oh no.
of homeless animals takes time and effort, but it's always worth it.
我求你了，来来来！我操！你他妈把我倒车镜给我整坏了！我的妈！行行，拿走拿走拿走拿走拿走！快快快快！快快！好，赶紧坐，好了，好，坐了坐了坐了。
Realised that she'd led him to a dolphin. The poor animal had been washed ashore, and if it weren't for Leia and her owner, it likely wouldn't have survived.
Come on, buddy.
Beyond giving their time and money, they must have infinite patience. Although the moose didn't fall through the ice, she was clearly struggling to move, so the volunteers decided to help her.
I love to get inspired. breakaway dresses?
Let go. Let go.
During the fight, the rare, unforgettable scenes from the wild.
I know. Oh my God! Oh, oh my God!
On va t'amener pour te soigner.
It seemed like fate had deliberately steered him there, of over 1 million hectares. The outbreak was extremely dangerous, as the locusts threatened to
Вивуся, вылезай. Пойдем, вставай. Пойдем. Пойдем, девочка.
The sheriff rushed to the scene as soon as he heard about the injured eagle. He had no idea how the bird would react, but he was determined to save it at any
Bastante complicado.
Ah, tá bem cansado. Nada. 面条拿走了！我靠！我的，我操！来来，给你弄个洋葱吃来。Вот так у нас провалится корова под лед. Лед тонкий, они лезут попить побольше.
Yeah.
Watch my shoe.
Stop.
He's got my shoe.
and soon it was safely back in the wild. What real compassion looks like.
Je l'ai trouvé sur l'autoroute.
Fucking cunt. Got one trying to get on the back at the moment.
Easy target. Fighters finally got the horse out.
Собаки, das haben Mission Pferd.
Jimmy, you're okay. You're okay. You're okay.
Lies beneath the waters of Malé, the Maldives' main commercial port. Caring for rhinos isn't easy. The moment they get stressed, they can turn into a full-on wrecking machine. To think you're challenging it, so avoid direct eye contact. Seeing gorillas in the wild is an unforgettable experience, but it requires.
Что вытащили, надо около, не знаю. Ну, подожди, он встанет.
Ну, хорошо. Может и встанет.
Stop, 14.
In Zimbabwe, animals often get stuck in the mud while trying to reach water, and that's exactly what happened to the buffalo. Luckily, local guides know exactly how to. Short while, spotting them in real life is a rare experience. They huddle so closely so they can stay warmer. The bear got incredibly lucky that someone spotted him in the. Polar bears move confidently on ice. If it's thin, they don't.
ลิงกูมาว่ายกพวกตีกันมาเดี๋ยว
धीरे 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 कोटे कोटे
Иди, иди.
Ну бегом.
Judging by.
Yeah, better. Come get.
Yeah, who is?
Oh, Jesus Christ.
Oh my.
Buried in snow, dude. Let's get you inside.
Ave Maria, que é de jacaré, menino.
Thousand sea lions call Pier 39 home, making the pier a world-renowned attraction. From afar, you could mistake them for snow sculptures. That even with men catching them by the dozens, their numbers didn't seem to shrink. Believe it or not, there are. In Yellowstone National Park, you might run into not just fellow tourists on the road, but also herds of bison. Animals often behave the way they do because of human actions.
我看这还有面包呢，给猴子拿点吃吧。
Scoots. Scooter.
Я не могу вылететь.
Let's get you inside for a minute.
For a long time, they had to cross roads, risking their lives. Fortunately, locals raised awareness of the problem, leading authorities to build fences and safe passageways. Now the
Она кусается, нет? Эй! Зачем рыбу воруешь?
cold, biting winds and snow drifts up to your waist. For animals, it's a matter of survival. In this new compilation, you'll eyes.
What happened?
Only a heartless person could walk past such a scene. Luckily, the cameraman wasn't one.
Плавают. Сейчас будем вытаскивать, эвакуировать при помощи трактора. Как-то за рога, бледная, дрожит, кошмар. За рога будем вязать и трактором тащить. Жалко животинку.
In any other situation, the yak would have. He might sound like the ultimate nightmare, but the countless mosquitoes in the tundra are vital for the local ecosystem. They serve as an essential food source for birds and fish living there. In 2020, locals were afraid of how the owl might react, but they overcame their fear and managed to rescue the bird.
He's gone. Loki, whisper. Yes, good boy. Good boy.
Pojď po cifouska. Razi po cifouska. Pojď hned, po cifouska, jdem. Pojď po cifouska.
Yes, each part of that dark patch is actually a spider. Daddy Longlegs liked to talons and tumbled into the lake. Thankfully, their forced close encounter didn't last long.
Oh
at, pups? Where you at?
Je sais que c'est risqué, mais...
It's amazing that a swimming guide in Namibia spotted a seal with a rope tangled around its neck. A person who stopped to help a weary hawk.
Here he goes.
No, he doesn't. Stop. Why are you doing it? You think it's funny.
No, I don't, Rosie.
These are very sensitive to climate, and when the humidity in the region increased, their population boomed. Now, thousands of them will call this place home until the next dry spell. Salmon is considered the keystone fish species in the northwest.
Now I see why they wouldn't set over there, because they fly right over your head there.
Hãy subscribe cho kênh Ghiền Mì Gõ để không bỏ lỡ